Today, we have something truly special for all you coin enthusiasts out there. We're diving deep into the fascinating world of rare coins, specifically focusing on two incredibly rare quarter dollars: the 1792 Kentucky quarter and the 1980 Washington quarter. We'll be exploring their history, significance, and of course their current market value. So, buckle up and let's embark on this exciting journey together. First, let's talk about the coin itself. The 1792 Kentucky quarter dollar is a true numismatic treasure. Struck in 1792, it represents an important era in American history. At that time, the United States Mint was still in its infancy, experimenting with different designs and denominations. The Kentucky quarter dollar, bearing the iconic image of a frontiersman on the obverse and a rifle and kettle on the reverse, is a testament to the spirit of the American frontier. Now, you might be wondering about the value of this coin today. Well, the value of a 1792 Kentucky quarter dollar can vary widely depending on its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. In general, these coins are highly sought after by collectors, and their prices can range from a few $1,000s to tens of thousands, or even more, for well-preserved specimens. Factors such as mint marks, overall condition, and historical significance play a crucial role in determining the value of these coins in the market. Beyond its monetary value, the 1792 Kentucky quarter dollar coin holds immense historical significance. In 1792, Kentucky was still a frontier state, and the coin's imagery reflects the adventurous spirit of the pioneers who were settling the region. The design, featuring a frontiersman and symbols of survival, captures the essence of the American spirit during that time. It's a tangible piece of history, reminding us of the challenges and triumphs of our nation's early years. 1980. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from the world of coin collecting. Now, let's jump right in. First things first, let's talk about the history of the Washington quarter itself. The Washington quarter was first introduced in 1932 to commemorate the 200th anniversary of George Washington's birth. Designed by John Flanagan, the obverse features a bust of George Washington, the first president of the United States. The reverse depicts an eagle with its wings spread, standing on a bundle of arrows and an olive branch, symbolizing strength and peace. Now, fast forward to 1980. The 1980 Washington quarter, like its predecessors, continued to carry the same design, making it a classic and recognizable piece of American currency. Let's take a closer look at the specifications of the 1980 Washington quarter. It's composed of a copper-nickel alloy with 91.67 copper and 833 nickel. The coin has a diameter of 24.26 millimeters and weighs 5.67 grams. Understanding these specifications is crucial for any coin collector, as they provide valuable information about the coin's composition and physical characteristics. Now, one of the most common questions collectors have is, what's the value of my 1980 Washington quarter? Well, the value of any coin depends on several factors such as its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. Generally, circulated 1980 Washington quarters can be found for face value, but if you happen to find one in excellent condition, it might be worth more to collectors. If you're keen on determining the exact value of your coin, I recommend using reputable coin pricing guides, consulting with numismatic experts, or checking online marketplaces to see what similar coins are selling for. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips for fellow collectors out there. First and foremost, always handle your coins with care, preferably wearing cotton gloves to avoid fingerprints and potential damage. Secondly, consider investing in proper coin storage, such as coin holders or capsules, to preserve their condition over time. And lastly, keep yourself updated with the latest news and trends in the numismatic world to make informed decisions about your collection. And there you have it, folks, everything you need to know about the 1980 Washington quarter, from its history to its potential value. Remember, coin collecting is not just a hobby. It's a passion that connects us to the rich heritage of our past. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow collectors, and leave your thoughts in the comments below.